My name's Steve Weibel. I'm the Director of IT for Breakmasters. Yeah, so before we went to scale computing, our IT infrastructure was with VMware. We had used VMware for about 10 years. We had Dell servers, and it was at the point that needed to be retired. So it's like either go with VMware or look for something else. At the time, we had our infrastructure was a typical 3 servers, 2 switches, 1 disk array. And it was like, well, we could do the same thing again, or we could look for hyperconverged technology, of which Scale was one I knew of that did that. So some of the ways Scale simplified rolling out the new infrastructure that we wanted to go with. First, the support is awesome. You call into support and you get an answer right away. You don't have to sit around monitoring what they're doing. They're doing it behind the scenes. And when they're done, they just let you know, hey, it's fixed. When it rolls in on the day to actually hook things up, you're just plugging things in. Scale will log in and do the final config, and you're up ready to start migrating machines. Very simple process, rapid. You can go from VMware to Scale in a very rapid manner. As far as the hardware-software combination, Scale was more affordable, but just simply being a little more affordable isn't always, well, let's always go with the lowest bid. It also has to be a good product. And the years I've had of working with VMware, knew how that worked and some of the complexities of doing things and seeing just how simple it is to create VMs. And especially when you're doing cloning machines, that was something that was almost mind-blowing, seeing how fast Scale could do that versus how long it would take to do that in VMware. Within 30 minutes, it's up and running. At that point, we could start migrating VM machines. We started moving machines the same day. So some of the benefits that we got from moving to Scale on patching and management, the management, once you have it set up, there's almost no management. All there really is installing a patch that comes out, and it shows right at the top of the screen when that happens, that there's a new patch available. And by the way, Scale does recommend doing it in the middle of the day because support's right there. They'll jump right in and help if anything goes wrong. When that's finished, then we go to the live platform. We install that one. Scale automatically handles moving the machines between nodes. We don't have to worry about it. It just happens automatically. Then we can concentrate on more important things instead of just managing virtual machines.